I let my kids have at the National Geographic Rock Collection Advent Calendar, and they had a lot of fun opening it up. It comes with a bag and some tools so you can look closely at all the rocks and gemstones you get, and as you go through it, you will have unique rocks. The kids really loved comparing the rocks to the glossary and figuring out which ones they got, and were super excited by the shinier gemstones. Now, I think this kit will be unique for everybody since the rocks are themselves natural and unique, but it was interesting that it did flip between rougher rocks and gemstones for many of the days, so you kind of went between both. And I also really love that the box has Velcro, so you can open and close it, and you can treat it as storage afterwards, which my kids did. One of them kept the box and put all of their rocks in it in separate compartments, so that was really cool. And as you can see, as you open each day, the tabs actually come off completely, so it's very easy to know where you're at on the calendar. The kids tore through this and kept matching the rocks to what they were in the glossary to see what each one was. And if you don't want to see the finale, you might want to stop now, as I'm going to show you what you get on the 24th. And when you get to the 24th, you'll definitely want those tools in the tool bag, as they come in handy. But getting through the last few, my kids were so excited to get some of the shinier gemstones right at the end, and there's just some really cool rocks in here that they'll be keeping in their rock collections. Now here is the 24th. It is this large item that looks like a stone. It's fully packaged, but it is actually clay, and you get to dig into it and you will get a surprise stone in it. It was fun to end it on an activity and have a great final gemstone to wrap it up. Overall, a really great kit. The bag is great for storing rocks as well, as is the box. The National Geographic Rock Advent Calendar.